Welcome to Tech and Health YouTube channel. Today we are going to delve into the captivating world of artificial intelligence. We're going to explore everything you need to know about AI, its definition, advantages, disadvantages, applications, and why it's in such high demand. So, let's dive right in. What is AI? Artificial intelligence, or AI, refers to the development of computer systems that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. These systems are designed to learn, reason, and make decisions based on data. AI combines various subfields such as machine learning, natural language processing, computer vision, and robotics. To better understand AI, let's consider some practical examples. Personal assistants. Virtual assistants like Siri, Google Assistant, and Alexa use AI to understand and respond to our voice commands, assisting us with tasks and providing information. Healthcare. AI is revolutionizing the healthcare industry. For instance, it can aid in disease diagnosis by analyzing medical images with remarkable accuracy. Additionally, AI-powered chatbots can provide basic medical advice and support. Autonomous vehicles. AI powers self-driving cars, enabling them to perceive their surroundings, make decisions, and navigate safely. This technology has the potential to transform transportation and reduce accidents. Finance. AI algorithms are employed in automated trading systems, fraud detection, credit scoring, and risk assessment. These applications help financial institutions make data-driven decisions and improve efficiency. Smart homes. AI-driven devices and systems can automate various functions within our homes. For instance, AI-powered thermostats can learn our temperature preferences and adjust accordingly, optimizing energy usage. Now, let's delve into the advantages and disadvantages of AI. Advantages of AI. Efficiency. AI systems can process and analyze vast amounts of data much faster than humans, enabling quicker decision-making and increased productivity. For example, AI-powered chatbots can provide instant customer support, handling multiple queries simultaneously. Accuracy. AI algorithms can achieve high levels of precision and accuracy, minimizing human errors and improving outcomes in various fields like medicine and manufacturing. In medical diagnosis, AI systems can help detect diseases at an early stage with greater accuracy. Automation. AI can automate repetitive and mundane tasks, freeing up human resources to focus on more creative and complex endeavors. For instance, in manufacturing, robots equipped with AI can handle repetitive assembly line tasks with precision and consistency. Disadvantages of AI. Job displacement. The automation capabilities of AI raise concerns about job displacement and the need for upskilling and reskilling the workforce to adapt to new roles. However, AI also creates new job opportunities in AI research, programming, and maintaining AI systems. Privacy and security. The collection and analysis of vast amounts of personal data for AI applications raise privacy and security concerns. Protecting sensitive information becomes crucial. For instance, AI-powered facial recognition systems raise concerns about potential misuse of personal data. Bias and ethical issues. AI systems can inherit biases present in the data they are trained on, potentially leading to discriminatory outcomes. Ensuring fairness and addressing ethical considerations is paramount. For example, biased data used to train AI-powered hiring systems may result in unfair hiring practices. Why AI is in demand. Industry adoption. Organizations across industries are embracing AI to gain a competitive edge, improve customer experiences, optimize operations, and drive innovation. AI-powered recommendation systems in e-commerce platforms personalize customer experiences, leading to increased sales. Skills and job opportunities. The demand for AI experts, data scientists, and AI-related skills is skyrocketing. Developing proficiency in AI can open up exciting career opportunities. AI specialists are needed to develop and maintain AI systems and algorithms. Technological advancements. AI is a rapidly evolving field, with ongoing research and breakthroughs. As technology continues to advance, AI's potential applications will expand even further. Future advancements may include more sophisticated language understanding and AI-powered medical treatments. Conclusion. Artificial intelligence has undoubtedly transformed the way we live and work, offering remarkable advantages and posing certain challenges. By understanding AI's capabilities, limitations, and ethical considerations, we can harness its power responsibly. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating journey into the world of AI. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our future content. Feel free to leave any comments or questions below. Until next time, keep exploring the extraordinary possibilities of artificial intelligence.